Ion channels are proteins on cells' membranes that allow ions to pass through. So, ion channels can let specific ions through. In animals' nervous systems, sodium, potassium, calcium and chloride ion channels are present. Plants and fungi don't have sodium channels, but they can still send electrical impulses, also called action potentials, using other ion channels. This means action potentials that depend on other ions could evolve. So, cell walls, however, prevent plants from evolving neurons and muscles. In trikontazoans and choanotriflagellates, a cell wall is not present. So ion channels aren't just used in nervous systems. Even bacteria can have ion channels. And fungi and plants both have calcium, potassium and chloride channels. Sodium channels, however, evolved in animals and their ancestors. So animal sodium channels are thought to have evolved from calcium channels. So choanoflagellates, which are animals' closest living relatives, have been shown to have a gene that codes for ion channels with a selectivity filter, so which ions it lets through, intermediate between calcium and sodium ions. So voltage-gated ion channels are ion channels that open in response to a difference in charge across the cell's membrane. So animals with nervous systems have voltage-gated sodium channels. So trikons may have split from plants and animals after their ancestors evolved calcium, potassium and chloride ion channels, meaning they already have these three channels present in their cells. On the planet trikontazoans and choanotriflagellates evolve on, there is much more lithium than there is on Earth, but less sodium than on Earth. So lithium passes through sodium channels very slowly, although it can still pass through. This might mean the proteins in lithium and sodium channels might be very similar, and therefore lithium channels may also evolve from calcium channels in trikontazoans. So action potentials in some trikontazoans may then depend on voltage-gated lithium channels.